Hey guys, Dawn Beltrami here from Walzel Properties, bringing you the Showcase Home of the Week, and we don't have one. I'm so sorry. We had a huge scheduling conflict, couldn't get into the house that we had scheduled. So what we've done instead is we have put together 6 homes that we are going to show you, give you some information about them. It's only going to be the outside though, so sorry. But definitely check these houses out. They're unique, they're a little different. Some are townhouses, some are our bungalows that are here in the Heights. Check them out. Come out to the Heights this weekend to their open houses. And if you would like a private showing in these homes, or if you'd like to just go to the open house with me, give me a call, text me, let me know. We'll be more than happy to meet you there. My information will follow at the end of the collection. Here we go. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next Friday with the Showcase Home of the Week. This 1940s bungalow is located at 2047 Harvard Street. They're having an open house Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 3. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2,188 square foot home, and they are asking $848,944. This home is located at 1313 West 24th Street. They're having an open house on Saturday from 10 to 5 and on Sunday from 1 to 5. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1/2 bath townhouse built in 2018, 2,119 square feet, and they're asking $435,000. 1231 West 17th Street. They're having an open house Sunday from 1 to 3. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with 1/2 bath built in 2016. It's 2,431 square feet, and they're asking $444,900. At 1438 Dorothy Street. They're having an open house Sunday from 2 to 4. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and they're asking $379,000, and it was built in 2009. This house is located at 1139 Ashland. They're having an open house Sunday from 2 to 4. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1/2 bath built in 2005, and they're asking $600,000. This house is located at 719 East 10.5 Street. Cool little street here, guys. They're having their open house Sunday from 1 to 3. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1/2 bath, brand new home, 2018, and they're asking $899,000. Okay, guys, that's it. Those are the 6 highlighted homes that we have for you. We look forward to seeing you next Friday for the Showcase Home of the Week. If you'd like to see any of these homes with a private showing or would like to go to the open house, please don't hesitate to give me a call or text me. I'll be more than happy to show you. See you next Friday.